Buongiorno a tutti and welcome back to my little kitchen here in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and you know how sometimes you say, I could just kill a plate of spaghetti? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do just that. We're going to make spaghetti all'assassina, which is a specialty from Bari, and this is totally crazy. What you do is you heat up your cast iron pan as hot as you can, add olive oil, chili and garlic, and then your pasta goes in raw, and you're supposed to kill that pasta. So you want to crank up the heat, then you're going to add some tomato puree, and once that's nice and toasted, slowly we're going to add water with passata, very simple, and cook that pasta through without moving it so much so that it scorches all around, and by the time it's cooked, it's also going to be toasted and crispy and delicious. So this is one of my favorite dishes. I hope you enjoy it too. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, do subscribe to the channel and come back and follow me for more. Let's cook.